This video is going to cover what you can do with a bibliography and applying that bibliography to find some content in our Scopus database. So I've got a bibliography over here. These are three different things, three different articles that I know are available in Scopus. But I also know that these could be a little problematic when searching, and I'll show you why. But I know they're there, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to get to them that you can use, and you can apply them to any article. So, three different article citations here. I'm going to go over to the library homepage, and I'm going to go to A to Z databases. From there, S. And then from there, we're going to scroll down to Scopus. You can tell here that we're in a default search field for Scopus, article title, abstract, and keywords. So let's focus on this first one. Okay, I'm going to copy the article I have there, the article title. I want to paste it. And Scopus says that it's not finding anything based on the title that I supplied. At first I thought this was a special character issue, the beta right here, but it doesn't appear to be that. So I was looking and I thought, well, what else could it be? And I noticed this very subtle misspelling right there. And when I amended that and took this and searched it, now I see the article. So it is particular about spelling. It does not like for something to be misspelled in the citation as you search it. But once it's there, it's as simple as clicking find it, it going out, locating where that is. In this case, it's in the Wiley Online Library. You have to click there. And then our PDF's right there. A big shout out to LibKey for finding that PDF as well. Always recommend having LibKey Nomad running as a browser extension in the background. Okay, so that's one. We had a misspelling. Let's look at another. This one is going to populate based on the title, and I do recommend doing a title search first. It is going to recognize the title, but this is interesting because three documents are found and they're all aligned with the title of the article. However, the article itself is this link down here. You notice that this is in Current Biology, right? We know it's in Current Biology. 1596 was the page. Current Biology 23, issue 16, 23, issue 16, 1596. This is the article. In this case, interestingly, the authors had an error in one of their tables, and they amended that article in a later edition. So you see it's 2316. Well, this shows in 2317 there was an amendment to that article. It was on page 1718. They amended that article. They again published the amended article up here in 2413. So just something interesting to pay attention to if you get multiples of the same thing. What's going on here? Well, in this case, they needed to go back and amend a table. All right, so this one, we had a misspelling. We fixed it. This one, we had a article that had been published and then amended post-publication with a new table, and it was populating with multiple results. So let's try this last one here. And this one is perhaps the most interesting in what it does. So if I take this and I come back here and search, it cannot find anything. And I do know that this is available through Scopus. So I'm going to do a little trick for finding things and navigating to them, and that's taking the minimal amount of what I think would be necessary to track that citation. So I'm going to take just these first 3 words, okay? I'm going to take the first 3 words, and I'm going to remember the author's name was Plotto. First 3 words, Plotto. So I take that, add my author title, Plotto, search, and look at this. There's my author title, Plotto Barnes Goodner, 71401, 71. It would be page 401. It's just not showing there. So again, find it. It's going to go out, locate where we have access to that article, and get it from there. So if you're having trouble with tracking citations in Scopus or seeing if something's there, you probably think it should be there. Why is it not showing? Those are 3 very useful tricks. 1, check the spelling. If the slightest thing is messed up, it might not be able to find it. 2, make sure you have the right thing. If it has been retracted or it's been amended and there's multiple things, just check that out. That's very helpful. And 3, if you're still having trouble, use like very minimal things out of the title and then throw in one author name. Chances are it'll be unique enough to find that match if it does exist there. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.